climb inside the 2020 Toyota Prius. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a rear window wiper, heated seats, fully automatic headlights, and remote keyless entry. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. The unique heads-up display projects vehicle information onto the windshield, including speed, gear selection, and engine speed. Drivers benefit by not having to take their eyes off the road. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 10 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Toyota also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, brake assist, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Adaptive Cruise Control maintains a preset distance behind the car ahead of you, simplifying highway driving and enhancing safety. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. Call now to schedule a test drive.